All right, let's make multiplying fractions super simple. We're going to jump right in.
Yeah, fractions can seem a little tricky, right? It's a common feeling, for sure. But don't worry, we're about to change all that. We'll get this down in just a few minutes. Okay, first things first. A fraction? It's just a piece of a whole. That's it.
So let's start by seeing how fractions work with whole numbers.
Okay, a quick puzzle. A kid drinks half a glass of milk a day. How much in 3 days?
You get 3 halves glasses. See? It's just adding that half glass over and over.
Okay, now let's flip that around. What if you take a fraction times of a number?
It's pretty straightforward. We just multiply them to get 3/5 of a kilometer.
And that idea, taking a part of something, leads us right to multiplying two fractions.
So check this out. A tortoise goes 1/4 kilometer an hour. How far in half an hour?
The answer is 1/8 of a kilometer, but the y is what's really cool.
Here's the key idea. It's all about taking a part of another part. That's it.
So is there a simple rule for this? Yep, and it works every single time.
It's just 2 steps. Multiply the top numbers, then multiply the bottom numbers. Simple.
So here, 2 times 4 is 8 on top. 3 times 5 is 15 on the bottom. Done.
But hang on, there's a really interesting twist when you're multiplying fractions.
Usually, multiplying makes numbers bigger, right? Not with fractions. The answer actually gets smaller.
I mean, think about it. If you take a small piece of another small piece, it's got to be tiny.
So the big takeaway is that multiplying doesn't always mean getting bigger.
So now you've got the how and the why. What are you going to go build with it?